Welcome to Bytes, where future tech meets lightning-fast knowledge. From quantum leaps to robotic revolutions, we break down the next-gen innovations. Subscribe and power up your mind. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here. You're late. Again. Stuck behind someone merging at 20 kilometers per hour.
Meanwhile, in Japan, someone just crossed half the country faster than you found parking. This isn't sci-fi, it's high-speed rail, and it's real.
In this video, we're diving into the world of high-speed trains, the tech, the speed, the future. Let's roll! High-speed rail, or HSR, isn't your grandpa's train set. We're talking trains that hit 300 kilometers per hour or more.
Powered by electricity, they glide on dedicated tracks, quiet, smooth, and fast. No traffic lights, no diesel engines, no noise.
Sure, building them isn't cheap, but think of it as an investment in speed, sustainability, and sanity. From Japan's Shinkansen to France's TGV, high-speed rail is transforming how we move.
And it's not just about speed, it's about reducing congestion and emissions. So whether you're a tech geek or just hate traffic, this is your ride.
Let's explore the history, the tech, and the future of high-speed trains. All aboard. It all began in 1964 when Japan launched the Tokaido Shinkansen, just in time for the Tokyo Olympics.
The bullet train slashed travel time between Tokyo and Osaka in half, hitting 210 kilometers per h. It wasn't just a train, it was a revolution. France followed with the TGV.
Then Germany, Italy, and Spain joined the race. Today, over 50,000 kilometers of high-speed rail span the globe.
It's not just about speed, it's about progress, connection, and sustainability. High-speed rail links people, cultures, and economies like never before. And with tech advancing fast, this is only the beginning. Let's keep riding.
So how do these trains go so fast? It's all about electric power, aerodynamic design, and precision engineering.
Overhead lines feed electricity to sleek, wind-cutting trains. Tracks are laser straight and ultra-smooth. No bumps, no delays.
And then there's Maglev, magnetic levitation trains that float above the track. No wheels, no friction, just pure speed.
Japan's Maglev hits over 600 kilometers per h. It's not magic, it's physics, perfected.
High-speed rail is a marvel of modern engineering. Fast, efficient, and built for the future.
And we're just getting started. Next stop, the future of travel.
High-speed rail is fast, comfortable, and green. Breakfast in Paris, lunch in Rome, no airport chaos required.
Spacious seats, smooth rides, and no turbulence. And it's punctual. Trains that actually run on time.
Best of all, it's eco-friendly. Electric trains emit far less CO2 than cars or planes.
So why don't we have more of it? Cost, politics, land use?
Building high-speed rail takes money, space, and serious commitment, but the payoff? Huge. It's time to invest in a faster, cleaner, more connected world. Let's make it happen. Time for a global high-speed rail showdown. China leads the pack, over 40,000 kilometers of track and counting.
Japan's Shinkansen still sets the gold standard for reliability and innovation. France's TGV? Fast and fashionable.
Germany and Spain expanding fast. Meanwhile, the US is, well, trying.
Amtrak's not quite bullet train material, but the potential is there. Vast distances, major cities, and a need for speed.
The US could be a high-speed rail powerhouse. Time to get on track. The future of high-speed rail? Even faster. Maglev trains float on magnets, no wheels, no friction. Japan's Maglev hits 603 kilometers per h.
Then there's the hyperloop. Pods and vacuum tubes aiming for 1000 plus km/h to San Francisco in under 30 minutes. That's the dream. Still experimental, but the potential is massive.
And it's not just about speed, it's about sustainability. Renewable-powered trains, smart systems, seamless connections. The future of travel is fast, clean, and connected. And it's coming fast. High-speed rail isn't just about trains, it's about transformation. It connects people, reduces emissions, and redefines travel.
From the first Shinkansen to Maglev marvels, it's a story of progress. But the future depends on choices, investing in smarter, greener infrastructure.
Imagine a world where travel is seamless, sustainable, and actually enjoyable. Next time you're stuck in traffic, remember, there's a better way.
The high-speed revolution is here. Are you ready to get on board?
Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. From bullet trains to maglevs, one thing's clear, the future doesn't crawl, it zooms.
This is Bytes, where tech meets future in fast forward. Drop a comment. Would you ride a 600 kilometers per h train?
Total word count, approximately 1,478 words, all scenes edited to meet line reduction and pacing requirements.